Sauce.
Where do they wear it? Wear it like this? How do they wear it? Why do they wear it?
Huh?
How can they wear things like this? What exactly do they wear? Do they ever wear things like these right here?
Angry.
And where can they go wearing things like these?
Huh? Angry.
So do they wear this to go fishing?
Huh?
Mommy dear, it's our fish!
Red!
Come on, introduce yourself. Don't be mad. I'm just really bored here. I have no one to talk to or to play with. Won't you talk to me, please?
Please.
Come on, let's go now to my place. There!
Red.
Come on, keep your spirits up.
Please.
Hey, you boys! Urgent help needed! What's a circle?
Wow.
Oh,